Is there a more difficult job than that of a manufacturing recruiter? Combine the rapidly changing global economy, impact of automation, and the competition for skilled labour, and you get the unique challenges for talent acquisition professionals in the manufacturing industry. One recent study found that nearly 10% of all manufacturing positions go unfilled due to a lack of qualified candidates. So how do you source and attract more high-quality manufacturing talent faster? The answer starts with Jobvite. Our end-to-end talent acquisition suite takes a marketing-first approach. By tackling the entire candidate journey, Jobvite provides an holistic experience for candidates while giving recruiters every tool they need for hiring success, including engaging career sites, a powerful CRM, text AI and automation tools, powerful employee referrals, and Jobvite's leading applicant tracking system. Let's take a look at them in more depth. With Jobvite, you'll create an engaging mobile-optimized career site that provides a seamless candidate experience right from the first visit. Jobvite CRM is an intelligent sourcing and recruitment marketing solution that helps you target the best candidates while building and managing your talent pool. With multi-channel campaign support and intuitive talent management, Jobvite CRM helps you make a great first impression and keep candidates continuously engaged to your employer brand. Manufacturing workers, particularly machine operators and technicians, are incredibly difficult to connect with due to the nature of their jobs. Whether scheduling interviews with candidates or reaching out to your talent pool with automated campaigns, Jobvite Intelligent Messaging offers recruiters an incredible way to reach and connect with candidates in real time and engage in conversations that matter. Jobvite Refer gives your employees a simple method for recommending their contacts to jobs in your company, allowing you to leverage the power of referrals, which are shown to be easier, faster, and cheaper to source and hire than other types of candidates. All these technologies are built around our industry-leading Jobvite ATS, which automates and streamlines the entire hiring process, increasing hiring effectiveness and velocity. On average, our customers see a 27% decrease in time to fill, a powerful result for manufacturing recruiting teams. Your mission to provide high-quality products for market requires that you have your locations fully staffed with skilled and committed employees. Jobvite knows the challenges you face and has a deep heritage in meeting the needs of leading manufacturing organizations. Jobvite. Recruit with purpose, hire with confidence.